There's an ingrown hair on my face that won't come out. Yeah, that's an absolute no. Just gonna... No!
Alright, you lousy lot. Get your asses on board. She's ready to sail.
You heard the captain? Clive?
Why are you still alive? Oh, god damn it. Bugger off! By the hair of his skinny chin chin, he made it. I'd give him all the bird as I'm leaving. Just to say, hey fuckers. You thought...
That's quite a mess you've made. And wholly unnecessary. You are my offering to Mythos. I would not see you damaged.
Sure.
Are you absolutely certain of this quest of yours, Clive? The foes you face are as terrible as they are numerous.
Aye, and they'd have us live and die on their terms, which should answer your question.
I'd rather live and die on my terms, thank you very much. The Empire has fallen.
Sails on the horizon.
She's ours.
Well, alright. So he's the only one who's fully mastered his icon.
Where did you hide her, Barnabas?
Hold on, do that again? There we go. Get fucked, you pussy. Damn, look at this fucking health drop.
Many of us. And only one.
Correction. No, you were right. Only one. And it was me! The best!
How did you?
I'll explain later. Hands.
Ah, I drank the wrong can. There we go.
Out of here I can.
Odin looks badass. Nobody did steer it off course.
Must embrace the truth, Mythos. Accept your place with the Lord.
Keep it. As long as there's a chance, there's a choice.
Ever led astray by your blind resolve.
Now, it is time you learn the inevitability of your divine fate, however much it may hurt. Defend yourself! In the short time since our last meeting, you have grown much. Yet as a vessel, I fear my lord will still find you.
Crap, dude, he countered that. Ow! Ow!
I have seen enough. If reason cannot sway you, there are other means of
Yeah, not. Just hold the fuck still. Crap.
until you've been given.
Crap.
And thus is
I think that's the first time I've ever failed. I think I was supposed to fail at that. Damn.
The breath of the Creator still warm on our lips. We carry his light that we might guide the masses in his name. We are but mighty acts of God.
We are more than that.
You would be nothing without what he has granted you. The power we wield is his, and yet every time we draw upon it, it wears away at our very being. It breaks us, it unmakes us, that its immaculate aspect might reveal itself. The icon. It is too much for even his chosen few. Apart from you, Mythos. You wield the might of many, yet your body does not answer for its avarice.
What are you saying?
What I am saying
God, it's too
is
much.
that we dominants are a means to an end. We were created for you, that you might drink deep of our strength and thereby fulfill your divine purpose.
Which is?
To feed. As you would know, could you only look beyond the walls of your prison of self-regard. As long as you choose to ignore this, you shall never penetrate my defenses. Still, you may take solace in the fact that you are not alone in your plight. The chains of volition shackle all of mankind, but there is yet cause to rejoice. For the Lord, in his mercy, has taken pity on his flawed creations, and shall see them restored to their proper forms.
exactly would that be?
Why, loyal servants to God.
No. Manners, Lord Rossfield? They are men, like you and me. Albeit ones unburdened by the wills that drive our kind to madness. They are pure. They are divine.
You mean to turn everyone Akashic?
Not turn, Mythos. Turn back. For too long has mankind been led astray by their clamorous wills. It is time they return to a world of quiet equality, where they might once more know salvation.
Salvation. And abandon everything we hold dear.
We don't need your salvation. We'll save ourselves, and we'll do it on our own terms. Not yours. And not your gods!
With every defiant expression of your will, the tighter the chains of consciousness become. But perhaps that fact may be put to use.
Clive!
The faster it binds you to the remaining dominance, the stronger your hunger will become. Until it leads you back to the only answer there ever was. Mayhap not by the path my master intended, but back all the same.
Ash is not far. I could freeze a path.
You're in no fit state.
Probably not, but I can try. Don't look back!
Okay, so that was supposed to happen.